Yeah, I remember last year, like even I receive payments from clients through crypto. What mostly I do, I sell it to third party, maybe individual or clients, or people that deal with cryptocurrency. Most of them buy at low rates, but early this 2023, I have to start using Binance P2P trading, and I see like I've been losing a lot. I've been losing a lot because using the P2P trading, I think I'm able to sell at high price instead of me selling to low price to third party. That's why I'm doing this video for you. Maybe you're just starting out receiving payments from a client using crypto, maybe USDT, BTC, instead of you selling at low rate to third party, which they are going to sell it at high rate on Binance. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Binance P2P trading to sell your cryptocurrency, maybe USDT, maybe Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum, any cryptocurrency you receive from your clients. So I'm going to walk you through. So I'm still going to use a particular coin on my balance now to do this demo. So I'm going to walk you through how you can use this Binance P2P trading to sell your cryptocurrency at high rate. So if this is the first time watching our video tutorial, please click on the subscribe button, like, and comment. So if you have any question you want us to assist you with, you can click on the WhatsApp button under this video description to chat us on our WhatsApp. And you have not registered on Binance, you can just click the link under this video to register on your Binance, to register for your Binance account, so to start receiving cryptocurrency payments. So let's get started. So welcome back. So I'm going to use my Binance app to do this P2P Binance transaction. So I'm going to walk you through how to do it. So I'm going to log into my Binance app. So if you don't have Binance on your phone, you can just go to your Play Store. Let me go to Play Store. You can go to your Play Store. You can search for Binance. So if you have not downloaded it on your phone before, it's going to bring download or install rather. So just install it and log in with your details. So if you have not logged in on Binance before, you can just click the link under this video description to log in your to register on Binance. So it will not allow you to receive crypto wallet, crypto coins, maybe Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, and you can also trade it on Binance and get your money in Naira fast. So after I've opened it, let me open it. So I'm going to use this $60 USDT for this tutorial purpose. So after you have logged into your account, you have registered, you have logged into your account, this is how you can trade with the P2P trading. Then you're going to see this option, P2P trading. So like you are going to see a lot of crypto, a lot of coin, USDT, Bitcoin, Binance, BNB, Ethereum. So just choose the coin you are selling. So currently I'm selling USDT. So you have to note of this option, you see buy and sell, buy and sell. You see buy and sell. So if you are buying crypto, you can just click on the buy. You want to buy, like you want to buy USDT, you want to buy BTC, so you can just click on buy. But if you want to sell, like this purpose of this video, I want to sell USDT using the P2P trading. So I'm going to switch to sell. Then after you switch to sell, then the next thing you should choose the type of crypto you want to sell, the type of coin you want to sell. Maybe USDT, if you want to sell USDT, you want to sell BTC, you want to sell Binance, Ethereum, just to the one. But right now I want to sell USDT. So the option is already on USDT. So the option is already here. If you want to sell BTC, maybe your Bitcoin, you can just choose Bitcoin. If you want to sell your Binance coins, just choose the one you want to sell. Just choose the option. So let's go back. I'm selling my USDT. So let's go to USDT. So currently I want to sell like $60. So like you can see the rate here, like 741. So that's what I use to calculate, because a lot of buyers have their limit they want to purchase. Some people will like to purchase maybe from 5,000. Some people will like to, some buyer will like to purchase from a month, maybe for 50, 100. Like let me show you what I'm saying. Like the limit, like this buyer code were the limit, the minimum transaction you want to do is above 10 million to 50 million. So I don't have coin up to that. This one 10 million to 50 million. So I have to filter the buyers to know the people that are interested to buy this certain amount low. So let me just do my calculator here. So let's do like this. Let's say 740 times 60, that's around 44,000. So I will just choose the option like this. You have to go to the filter. Can you see the filter option here? Then you have to filter it, enter the amount. Let me just say 30,000 upward minimum. Then I'm going to choose instant bank transfer. So you can choose the option that you prefer. Country, any country we are. Currently I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to choose buyer from Nigeria. So choose Nigeria, then I'm going to choose confirm. So it's going to bring ads. Still waiting for ads. So sorry, my network was very poor by then. So like as I filter it, so you're going to see people that are interested. So like as after I filter it with people that want to buy at least 30,000 upward, you can see limit. This buyer is buying 30,000 minimum amount of crypto of USDT. So before you trade with them, you have to look the completion rate. You have to look the buyer completion rate. So like this one have 95%. So you are still going to look at the price is buying at 742 per dollar. So you are going to look at completion rate. This one have 96. So you have to scroll down. 96. So you have to look, maybe you can see a better offer. This one is 97, but it's buying around 738, which is very still low. This one also have 97 rate, is buying around 737. So just have to look people with good rate and and the price is also good. Like this 96% completion is buying around 742. So I'm going to go for this buyer. So I'm going to click on sell. So you're going to choose a bank transfer. So the bank you want to receive your payment, so just choose the bank transfer. So I'm using my bank. So I'm going to choose by fiat. Select all. So you have to read their terms and conditions. Also, no third party payments. Your name on Binance must tally with your bank account. So you have to read their terms and conditions. So to make sure we are not doing any mistake, so this what you wrote: no third party payments. Your name on Binance must tally with your bank account. So my name with my bank account is tally. So just check their transaction. So if they are having good rate, like today's, let me check today's date. Today's 19. So the last rating was good, 2019. People have daily with him. So the next thing I have to go to sell. So after the person make payment, so I'm going to pause this video after you make payment. So I'm going to continue the video. So that's how it's going to be. You are going to see the chat. Maybe you want to chat him up. So I'm going to wait till make the payment. So I'm going to pause the video right now. So when the payment is done, I'm going to continue. So the person have made payment. So can you see I've received the alert. Before you release your crypto, just make sure you have received your payment in your bank account. So before I release it, so I have to go to my app again to confirm. Just make sure that even Binance also advise you make sure you have received your money into your bank account to avoid issue. So you have to confirm it first. So let me just go to my app. So 44,000 44,000. So I'm going to check the price. That's the price. So I'm going to click on payment receive. So you can just see I have received the correct amount. Payment sender match the buyer. So just choose it, confirm. Then they are going to send code to your number. Still waiting for the code. So the code have dropped. So just paste the code, then submit. Then there you see that's how you can sell your crypto on Binance. So can you see like this? I'm just screenshot this down. So like that's how most of people say that create P2P using P2P trading. Just click done. They can leave positive review for the buyer if you are interested. If you are satisfied with the transaction, positive, fast transaction, polite, safety and good price. Just submit. So this is how you can do your P2P trading on Binance. How you can sell your crypto on Binance using the P2P trading. Is that you want to sell your USDT, your BTC, your Binance, your Ethereum? You can just follow this same procedure, and you are going to sell your crypto and receive your payment to your bank account. So before, I used to sell the crypto to people, and to people, and most of them are using Binance. They are going to be making a lot of money off me. So when I know how to do it, then I have to drop those exchanges. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, please click on the like button, subscribe. We'll see you later again. Thank you.